Dorothy. Okay, we're going to keep talking about skincare today, and I want to talk about exfoliating. Now, this is not something I say must be in your skincare regimen, but I would highly recommend it. So, in exfoliating, that means you're just kind of shuffling off the old dead skin cells and letting the fresher, newer skin cells show up. There are so many different ways you can exfoliate. You can use an exfoliating pad, you can use chemicals to exfoliate, you can use the rotary brushes to exfoliate. There are so many ways. When I was younger, I would say, or I exfoliated probably 2 to 3 times a week. Or if I used a scrub that had some exfoliator in it, I almost did it daily. That may be pretty aggressive, but it depends on your skin and what it can tolerate. As you get older, your skin gets thinner and a little bit more delicate, and so you need to use something a little gentler. One of the next products I like is from Dermalogica. It is a daily resurfacer. It's like a little pad that goes on your finger and you just kind of go over it. It's not too rough. But it does a great job exfoliating. I used it this morning before I put my makeup on, and it just gives a really pretty fresh glow look. And so I really enjoy that. Now, if you want something organic and simple, add sugar to your face wash. Sugar exfoliates. It gives that roughness that needs to take off all of the extra stuff that doesn't need to be there, and it dissolves. Now you got to make sure it's not too rough for your skin and that you don't tear your skin or break it for some reason or another, but it's definitely a great thing to add to your skincare line to exfoliate as you need be. So make sure that you're trying to exfoliate at least once a week. If you can tolerate more, the more you exfoliate, then the brighter and the smoother your skin will look. So make sure you add some exfoliating to your regimen. I will see you next time.